Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week, he dives into the Kedushas Levi, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text, but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Kedushas Levi? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in, and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Thursday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Kedushas Levi. This week, for Parshas Naso, the Kedushas Levi teaches why the priests needed to bless the people in a loud voice, not merely in meditative thought. Let's watch.
Alright, Bruchim Aboy, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi. It says a Yavor, another explanation, because Yavorchus b'nei Yisrael amalehem. Yivarecha Hashem v'yishmarcha, yer Hashem panav v'lecha v'chuneka, yisad Hashem panav v'lecha v'yasem l'cha shalom v'samu v'shmiel b'nei Yisrael b'nei Barachem. Thus shall he bless the children of Israel. From the book of Numbers, chapter 6, verse 23. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord shine his face on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord show you favor and grant you peace. And you should place my name upon the children of Israel. Haklal, the general rule is as follows. So kind of the general idea is as follows. This is why the priests, when they bless the people, it's not enough they just say, some quiet little whispering or some meditation, but they actually have to recite the blessing out loud with a loud voice, so the Israelites should hear these words, so that these letters that they hear, that the Israelites hear from the priests, make an impression into the Israelites, and it illuminates their faces, and from this they are blessed. That's what means, thus shall ye bless. Say to them, you specifically should recite these letters. It's not enough just to think in your mind to bless the Israelites, the Jewish people. But actually to recite with a loud voice the letters of the blessing. That's what it means. You should set my name upon the children of Israel, and I will bless them. Koyal Yisrael, that I will bless them means that in order for the blessing to rest upon the Israelites, it must be recited with a loud voice. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.